what to do. I mean, I'm not alone. The other piggies are like outside somewhere. I have this hat. I think I should watch some TV and eat some donuts. Yep. Sauce is still there. The news is crappy. Let's see what that's mean. Yeah, let's go this way. I'm hooked up. It's a hamburger. It's a cheeseburger with a hat. I've seen you, recognize me. Oh my goodness. How do I know you? Because I'm a cheeseburger. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's St. Patrick's Day. Where's Patrick, by the way? It's okay. Wait a minute. Can I eat you? No. What do you mean? Oh no! Go back here! Oh no! The hamburger has legs now and arms. Cheeseburger. 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 Be sour. There's nowhere you can hide now, Cheeseburger. 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 Don't know where to hide. Cheeseburger. Now, what's in here? Take that. I know what to use that for. Oh, Piggy, you can eat me here. That was a good snack. Though. Yeah. But I'm still kind of hungry. Somebody has to do the dishes. Chips. I think I have chips today. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger, look at his hat. There. Happy St. Patrick's Day too. Everywhere. Also got the Seuss. I feel bad for the cheeseburger. I mean, I did just eat him up. And this was his last place before he died. Such a sad story. Oh well, that's life. Well, I'm still fat though, and yeah,